If the green candle fully engulfed the red on the H4, yeah, it engulfed, but it go no higher high. And it showed this buyer strength validate, buyer coming back strength validate. Observe to key observation and next step. Volume surge across time frame. We already checked that. Buyer, okay, we checked that already. Rejection zone for seller. Rejection zone for seller. This rejection zone for seller. Rejection zone for seller. If buyer sustain momentum, seller should get trapped near the previous SLR. If the buyer sustain momentum, this is strong, pull back, strong, not higher high, pull back, strong, no strong. But at least the volume is still there, and I see no sign of the rate. Okay, if green rejection zone, if buyer sustain momentum, is there any momentum? That there's no momentum when following. So if buyer sustain momentum, seller should get trapped. So that means buyer had momentum, be able to step the trend up each stair step, but there is no sign. It start from here, but no stair step. It just range. Nothing happening yet. And next is if strong green close with higher volume, will confirm buyer dominance. If strong green close with higher volume, strong green close with higher volume, okay, which is that confirm buyer dominance. Trade consideration scalp perspective. Long entry at H4. This is H4 4 hour. Engulf candle close. H4 long candle. Let's make it bigger. Okay, engulf the red. Where are we? If the candle conservation scalp perspective, long entry, H4 engulf candle, we check that price hold above the resistance and no hold above no higher high, resistance support range not yet happening. Stop loss below the low of the engulf candle. Stop loss below engulf candle. Stop loss below of the engulf candle. Engulf, stop below, stop below, stop below. Take profit 121 R to R, or next supply zone, adjust based on price behavior. So that is taking profit 121. Invalidation if the green candle fail to close strong. If the candle fail to close strong, maybe some wick or something. If the candle fail to close strong, expect more shop before the real move. Choppy. If the green candle failed to close strong, no weak as mean they not fail, they close strong. And with volume only less here, that more likely it will move on north if it's strong like this. But we have to be confirmed with Sunday or with Saturday. If your buyer push is decisive, this could set up a nice scalp. If the buyer push, this is 4 hours. Buyer need to be pushed. See no sign of red seller. Okay, if the buyer push is decisive, it could set up nice scalp. It could strong, nice trend of scalp. Keep an eye on how volume react at the key level. Key level is the SLR. Volume are act at this level must be also strong to move the price up. Okay. Next, I wrote again, since when I have time, I wrote here H4 green candle engulf the red. The H4 candle will close in 15 minutes. So this is 4 hours and talking about engulfing candle, and the candle will close in some minutes, but that's in the morning. It's about 8 or 9, 10, I can't remember which candle it is. What to watch for in the next 15 minutes? Bullish confirmation. If the green candle close above the red candle high, buyer are in control. If the green candle close above the red candle, there's green candle close above the red candle, and the red candle high, buyer now in control. Okay, if it engulf the red, second one, volume must remain high to support the breakout. If the thing must go, it has to be big volume to support as well. Okay, volume must remain high to support the breakout. Next, potential entry. A scalp buy can consider stay above the engulfing candle, stay above the engulfing candle's body after the close. So the body of the reds stay above. Okay, stop loss and take profit. Stop loss below the engulf candles, below, or to protect against the fake out. Stop loss must below the engulf temple. If this engulf temple, stop loss must be here, and stop loss must be below the engulfing candles, slow below the candles, slow. How to read this? To protect against the fake out. Okay. Next, take profit 1-to-1 R. This is the plan. Stop loss and take profits. I will use 1-to-1 R because the market is not be able to push further. Only sideways market. All I can get is 1 R. Warning: if sellers step in hard in the last 5 minutes, if the sellers step in hard, this is seller step in, not that hard at all. Okay. If the seller step in hard in the last 5 minutes, seller step in hard in the last 5 minutes and push the price back down, it could weaken the setup. Because I want to buy, it could be make the weak to the setup if the seller step in hard. I don't see the seller step in hard. No, not sure. Okay, and push the price back down. After it step in hard. Push the price back down. It could weaken the setup. Watch the candle closely. Let me know how it look at the close. Okay, that's the next one is, I said, even the candle close in 10 minutes, I still fear. Let's go to 15. No, let's go to 15 minutes. Okay. If price okay, I lost. What happened now? 10:15, guys. The period of the day is over. The new candles of the new day is coming. And so read it again. Even the candle closed in 10 minutes, I still fear to turn around. I still fear for turnaround of the price against me. Even the candle closed in 10 minutes. 15 minutes, okay. 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock somewhere. Okay. It didn't say the day. Okay, this is the day come. The 15 at 10:45 minus 2, 8:45. So this 8:45 and this somewhere I was talking about this candle. 10 minutes and so engulfing either this one or this one. But anyway, the next checking the lower time frame. Okay. Read it again. Even the candle closed in 10 minutes, I still fear for turn around to turn around or price against me. So we'll check the lower time frame for microscopic, for double check, for the test 1, test 2, test a little more before I get in. So I said to him, and he said back to me, oh, that's solid decision. Even with the H4 bullish engulfing, even the H4 bullish engulfing, there's always the risk of a fake out engulfing. Maybe it's a risk of the fake out, maybe. So checking the lower time frame M1, M5, M15 for test 1, test 2, it is a smart way to confirm entry. Okay, your next step before entering, check lower time frame for test 1, first test. Price should hold above the breakout even with no sudden rejection. So this is like looking for a test 1, test 2. There is no test so far yet. price should hold above the breakout level. Yeah, the price is hold above this level. Price should hold above. Okay. Take test 1, test 2, second confirm, where buyer defends the level with volume. So test 2, I have no test 2 yet, only inside. First time, test second time. I mean test 2 must be somewhere higher. Or let's see, this is test 2. So test 2, a second confirmation that where the big boy defend the level with volume. So this is where they fight, basically. Test. Next one, weak seller respond. Seller weak. Are they weak? Look like equilibrium. Look like the same, okay? Look like the same. And weakened seller respond. If price drop, if price dip, if the seller dip slightly but get bought back up quickly, go down, bought back up quickly, it is a sign of strength. Okay, they push the price back, never let them passing through this support. Okay, microscope analysis on M1 and M5. First, highlight lower. M5, we go to M5. First, highlight lower, or higher lower, higher low. First, higher low. If price start forming higher low, if price start forming higher low, there is higher high, no higher low yet. Even lower low don't have. It's low 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 high, low low. So anyway, it's not happening here yet. Okay, volume behavior, buyer volume should die out and need to stay consistent. That's microscopic. Higher low. If price start forming higher low, buyer are building control. Higher high, no higher high, but okay, let's look from here. This is the channel. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, something like that. That's what it's talking about. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher low. No higher low yet. You can see. Long wick and red candle. This is the range. Long wick and red candle. No, long wick but green. Doesn't. Not good. We can't find long wick and red candle so far. That is here, long wick and red candle. Okay, long wick and red candles show seller are getting absorbed. Long wick on red candle. Long wick on red candle show seller are getting absorbed. That is coming the seller control here. Volume behavior, buyer volume should die out. Buyer coming here should die out in the volume. This one dying out, but he pick up the speed again, and seller push it back to the bottom of the range. They fight again in this range. No go anywhere whole day now. So volume behavior, buyer volume. Okay, next one is only enter if buyer hold the breakout level after two tests. There is no two tests here, no tests. After two tests, that's what he say. Okay, where is it? Buyer hold the breakout level after the two tests. I want to, after two sets, let's say if this first test, second test, and they hold after the two tests. No sudden bearish engulf on lower time frame, and no bearish engulf on the lower time frame, 3 minute time frame, and engulfing, the red engulfing, no suddenly bearish engulfing. Yeah, this is sudden, but the volume is not there, but it's Sunday, so anyway, engulfing the red engulfing the green, so it's sudden bearish engulf on the lower time frame. But the buyer now coming back, hip hooray, volume stay active. No volume, it's just dead, not good to trade right now. Only enter if buyer hold the breakout level after the two tests. No sudden bearish engulf, no sudden bearish engulf the lower and go on lower time frame. Volume stay active, no stay active. Yeah, it's sustained but small. Your cautious approach will help you avoid trap and enter only when the trade is high probability. Let me know what you see on lower time frame. And this is the next one. I said the volume over the overall every time frame is normal, regularly, average, high, evenly. For this, it is hard to read the volume. It is indicate that buyer and seller are fighting with equilibrium power. And he said, good observation. If volume is evenly distributed across all time frame, volume is same, evenly distributed, no volume that coming out extraordinary. So on the good observation, if volume is eventually distributed across the all time frame, it means buyer and seller are in a true equilibrium battle. No clear winner yet. No clear winner yet. This market is risky to enter right away because the market could go either way. Key adjustment to your plan. First, wait for a decisive shift in volume, a big volume shifting. Okay, it's called decisive. You need to see either buyer or seller break the balance with clear. Buyer and seller break the balance with clear surge in volume on any time frame. So far nothing yet. Saturday, if price move up but volume doesn't increase, the move could be weak. If the price move up but the volume doesn't go hand in hand, okay, this is if price move up but the volume the price is moving up. Okay, the volume seem not to go hand in hand. That means the move could be weak, is already weak. Next, monitored price action for breakout trigger. If buyer strong, price should start making higher low on M1, M5, M15, make higher low. If seller regain control, price may reject key resistance and create lower high. So this is trying to say that the market can either go both direction. If the buyer is strong, price should start making higher high. So far, no higher high yet. And if seller regain control, price may be reject key resistance. Price reject key resistance. This is resistance, the purple line. If seller regain control, price may reject key resistance at create lower high and create lower high. So this resistance, and they're moving down to get lower high, like here, higher high, higher, lower high, lower high, low low, lower high, low low. This is something like that about the price create lower high. The first one to step on the SLR. Next one, possible fake move before true break. Since equilibrium exists, expect fake breakout before the market picks a side. And looking for stop hunt wick that get reversed quickly. It could be the real move start. So when you see a stop hunt, like a long wick where they suddenly dashing out and then move back and carry on. And the next, your best move now, be patient. Okay, the best move now, be patient. Let the market tip its hand, let the market show. Only enter when you see confirmation of dominance, big volume shift plus strong price move. Avoiding guessing, let the battle play out. Okay, only enter when I see the confirmation. There is no confirmation here. Okay, your scalping style thrives on clean signal. So waiting a bit longer for betting a bit longer is the best edge you can have. Let me know what you see next. Okay, the next is the last one. Next is I see at 839900 M1 to H4, M1 to H4 is selling for buyer. Is selling, selling support and reset system. Selling for me in this term is resistant. What happened here? 1 minute. I can't believe that. Should be 1 hour. Okay. Alright. At 8390 is the selling for buyer. Let's go. Where is 8390? I must find this. It's ending. Okay, Alright, 83900 is this line, yellow line. At M1 to M4, there is a selling for the buyer to be breached. This level is the selling for the buyer to break above, to be breaching. And if buyer can breach and stay above 84068 within the new level where buyer will use to step over to step up to the new level. Okay, this level is not far from here to here, is not far. Once it can bridge, then I have to wait for time spending. Once it's bridged, I have to wait for time spending. I have to wait for time spending. Once it's bridged, I have to wait for time spending to test the level again. Buyer may pull back once again. After they go up, there may be pullback once again. Buyer may be pulled back one again to put the lower high as the head of the seller. Let's put the whole lower high of the head of the seller to step up for higher high, to go make higher high. Here I have to wait for make sure the buyer gets one green light to move further more to 84322, to move here 84322 to get further. It is so messy. It is really messy. Look where, make it smaller. So messy. This is the next level. Why it's messy? Next level, so close to this, so close. Next level, and then this level, and then this. So it's very close, very messy, and it is so messy level of obstacle line up so close together. But that is nature of the scalp in lower time frame. Price rapidly move up and down, rapidly. Plus it is a weekend, no volume. But crypto is different than forex, so anything could happen, because some people looking toward to trade on weekend, they will do that trade for weekend. No forex trade, I do the crypto. What he said to me, you thinking ahead with the solid execution plan. This is the tricky battle zone with stack resistance. Level close together. I'll go back there again. Level close together, making price action messy. But that's the nature of scalping. Key level to watch, 83900. I lost already. Let's go bigger. 83900. I think it's this one. 83900. Selling for buyer. This is it should be just a little bit higher. It's a selling range on top of the range for the higher, selling for the higher for the buyer. So selling for the buyer, it need to be bridged need to be breached and held for buyer to take control. After breach held, maintain the ground. 8405068 and then 84068. The next level, buyers step up zone. If price break and hold above this level, it confirm buyer strength. 84322. 84322. Target zone. Final push of buyer gain control. Your scalp play. Your scalp playing. Step 1. Breach and hold above 83900. Hold above 83900. Hold above 83900. Wait for the test. If buyer hold above 83900, hold above here. If buyer hold above 900, if buyer hold above 900, it is a step zone. The price break and hold above this level is confirmed buyer strength. I repeat that. That's 84322. 84322. Target zone. Final push if buyer gain control. Your scalping play. Step 1. Breach hold above 8309. Wait for test. If buyer hold above 83009, 83900, they need to retest this level as support before moving up. So they will stay above and then they will move down as a support to go up again. They not move to my line because I make this in the morning, so the thing is changed. Okay, and if they fail, seller may push it back down. Okay, if they fail to stay above, they need to not just stay above, they need to come back to test for step further. They need to retest this level as support. Retest this level as support before moving up. If they fail, seller may be pushed back down. Step 2. Watch for the lower time frame before higher push. Watch for the lower time frame before higher push. A healthy pullback to create a lower high seller head, and this means pull back to the head, to the shoulder, to whatever, to step up. And where is it? Seller head could be the final step for the real higher high happen. So we step up, test, step up, make a higher high, but here is no. Second tree. If the pullback happen with lows, if it low seller volume, if the pullback happen with low seller volume, is a strong signal for buyer. If this coming with low volume, as it is now, it's low volume, but it's closing, market closing. You don't count on that. Step 3. Confirm green light on for 84322. 84322. Confirm the green light. If the price stay above 84068, 84068, and does not reject, it's game on for the further move up. Okay. Be careful of quick spike and fake breakout. Crypto is more unpredictable than Forex, especially on weekend. Extra consideration for weekend crypto trading. Unlikely Forex crypto traders are still active on weekend, meaning late buyer might